Do you also feel like time is just slipping through your fingers? Especially when we are working 9 to 5. I often feel like there isn't much time left after the commute and chores. This week, I decided to do something different. Something that allows me to get my time back. I really wanted a texture arts painting for my bedroom, and which is why this canvas is so big. I know this is probably a little bit too ambitious for my first attempt, but I'm gonna give it a try anyways, and let's see how this goes. Time is such an interesting concept, isn't it? Everyone perceives it differently. It's something that we interpret with our brains. And did you know that our brains take longer to process new experiences? That's why time seems to pass slower when we are engaged in something new. When we do the same thing every day, our brains tend to go on autopilot. We go through the motions without fully engaging with the present. Remember how time felt slower when we were kids? It is because we were constantly curious, always learning and experiencing new things. However, as we grow up, we are trained to be more efficient to fit into society. We find joy in doing more things in less time. But even though you live a busy life, there are plenty of ways to find excitement and new experience every day. Recently, I've been exploring different routes on my way home. By taking different alleys, I discover many little stores I had previously neglected. I also try out new recipes to enjoy different cuisine every day. I'm also starting some new hobbies after work, like dancing, playing tennis, and painting. In this digital age, we are always connected with our smartphones. Do you know that most digital products were built with emotional triggers? When you feel bored, you might mindlessly scroll through Instagram or TikTok. If you are feeling lonely, you might chat on messaging app or a dating app. Before we know it, we might aimlessly spend the whole night scrolling through our phones. That's why I decided to break away from these habits. After dinner, instead of watching a show or some videos, I decided to switch off my phone and focus on my painting. The thing about texture painting is that each stroke is deliberate. You need to be focused to make it light the way you want. I feel very grounded in the moment. Engaging in this practice allows me to detach from the digital world and reconnect with myself. As a result, my screen time has significantly decreased. Over the course of the week spent on this painting, I found myself more present and focused than ever before. If you find yourself caught in the same routine, watching time slip away, I encourage you to seek out new activities or hobbies. Feel free to share your plans in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you very soon!